2026 is going to be another positive year for the telecom industry. We have seen already the industry improving significantly, and the momentum will continue. We have seen for the second consecutive year a record high cash flow generation by telecom operators. The capital intensity has reduced to approximately 15% of revenues, and revenues are going up, low single digit, but definitely going up in contrast to what we have seen in the past. Of course, we are seeing a positive momentum also because the investors have started looking at the telecom industry more favorably. We look at the US composite index, which is of the telecom business, which is up by nearly 50%. We can see in Europe the stock of some important players such as Vodafone, Orange, Telefonica, Telecom Italia, and BT, all going up by 10, 15, 20, 30, even 100% in some cases. So a lot of positivity in the telecom industry. At the same time, the plumbing work has been carried out. 5G SA is being developed quite nicely, 5G advanced as well, fiber deployment, satellite is also going to play an important role in 2026, all conducive to the fact that the telecom industry is experiencing a positive momentum from a business point of view. But it's not just the business, it's also the regulatory environment that is getting better. Stephen, tell us more about it.
Thanks, Dario. Yes, so while the financial outlook is improving, we're also beginning to see some instances where regulators and policymakers are looking to remove regulatory impositions on the sector. A couple of key outcomes to watch for in 2026 are in the US and in the EU. In the US, the FCC has been directed by executive order to carry out a wide-ranging review of regulatory instruments, simply named Delete, Delete, Delete. And we expect this initiative to continue well into 2026. In the EU, the industry will be closely watching the development of the Digital Networks Act. The DNA is set to address issues including cross-border network operation and service provision, look to improve spectrum coordination, and accelerate the copper network decommissionings. Any move towards deregulation and reduction of compliance costs will be a positive for the sector, and 2026 could be an indication that the tide has turned, creating a more supportive environment for network investment and returns. Now pass over to Guang.
Okay, thank you, Stephen. From the 6G perspective, early 6G tests and trials will lead to an increase in mobile capex and foster the 6G ecosystem. Although the first release of 6G standard will be finalized by 2029, operators in Asia, the US, and even in the Middle East will start testing K6G technologies, such as AI native RAN or integrated sensing and communications from the next year, 2026. And they may further extend the test to trial services in 2028, leading to an increase in mobile capex and create opportunities for exploring new business models before 6G commercialization. We will closely follow these activities to provide our clients with insightful analysis about progress. And we have finalized our research agenda for 2026. If you want more information, please feel free to come to us. Thank you.